Hi guys, welcome back to the Flat Media channel. Today I'm going to show you the delay audio effect.
Hello!
Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn more about this effect. Before we start, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. As well, go to Elements Envato and get a subscription. Also, get your Filmora 11 today. Now let's jump into the video. Firstly, drag your footage to the timeline. Then we will add another below it as a background, to make it more interesting. Make sure to adjust it. Now drag your audio file. Now we are going to copy it and paste it 4 times below. Make sure to click on the track. Then move each track a little bit forward. Then we're going to lower down the volume by 5 of each one, starting from the second. Then click on each and go to Customize. We're going to adjust the settings this way so we don't overpower the main voice. That's it for this video guys. Again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel and ring notification bell. Also, get your Filmora 11 today and subscribe to Elements Envato if you want to become a pro editor.